do you like this?
It's fine.
Baby, there's something I've been thinking about.
Continue.
Something that I've been bothering me seriously.
What could that be?
This is a relationship issue, this money issue that we don't have in this relationship. It's making me to get seriously tired of this relationship.
You what?
Now, no money. How will you enjoy a relationship without money? I don't know what.
I should be telling you this, so.
I've been thinking about it as well because this money that we don't have in this relationship is bothering me already. Bothering me, but there is something that I've actually been thinking of.
Continue.
That have been coming into my mind. I don't know if you like the idea, but I believe you are supposed to like the idea. So I don't know.
What could that be?
I have been thinking lately. You know your father have one tenant house in Piawe. So I was actually thinking maybe if you feel just.
Baby, no, please don't go there.
You make I land first now. This is one problem with you guys. Let me tell you what calm down, let me explain first now. That your father's house in Piawe, I don't know. If you just enter your papa's house, now your father is even getting old. You don't need any property again, you don't need much money again. If you say if you enter inside the house, then collect the house documents so that you don't need to sell the house. Calm down now, let me explain first now. If you don't go Lagos, Port Harcourt, you can even leave the country now. Enjoy our life. This relationship, me, I'm tired. I'm getting tired. So I don't know what you just to sell it. Then later,
you stupid.
You can give your father much money now. Later on in the future.
You don't go there because that is the only land that my father have and that is how we make money. For that one, only that money.
Okay, what of that other land at the back of the police station? That one too. Okay, can't we sell that one? Very simple and leave this country so that we enjoy our life.
That one, value that one. That's the only precious land I know that, and the value that one. You can't touch it. I can't do it.
Okay. So this relationship is not precious to you, Abi?
You know, such a relationship is not precious to me. Just that land means so much to my father. Me, I cannot.
If we sell the land, we'll buy another land for him later now.
No, I
cannot.
Say
they're wise.
Wait, let me ask you one question now. Okay, in this relationship now, what are you now offering now? Because I'm getting tired already. What are you now offering in this relationship? What do you have now to offer to me now in this relationship?
Baby, I can pray for you.
As in,
I really.
I know that's wait till do my mama not sabi pray. No, if I need prayer, I will call my mother will pray. No, if I need prayer, I will call my mama will pray for me.
Any problem, I will always pray.
See, let me tell you, this relationship don't dey tie me. I'm done. I don't need prayer. What I need is money. If I need prayer, I will call my mother will pray for me. I'm done. Bye bye. I'm tired. Bye bye.
Baby,
I'm done. Leave me, John. I'm done now.